If you want to learn to make something like this, then this video will show you everything you need to do, everything you would need to use to make a mini survival stove made out of 2 cans. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is get a sharp blade. I'm going to cut along this side of the can here. One thing I would say as well is make sure you wear gloves, as the edges are very sharp, and once you've cut it out, all you've got to do then, just make sure flat, make it as good as possible. It's not the best, but it will do in a environment where you just want to cook something. This is good enough. Now what you want to do is mark a line at the bottom here as flat as possible. Make sure it's like not halfway but just under, so around there.
Autonomy is an illusion. Autonomy is an illusion.
Now, as you can see, it's now cut here. Now we're going to mark a line just about here, and we'll be cutting that as well. Now what we're going to do is we're going to cut holes in like here, all around. This is where the alcohol is going to go through.
Autonomy is an illusion. Autonomy is an illusion.
As you can see now, this is inside, and now time to use the second can here. For the second can, all you need to do is cut this bit out and mark a line and cut it here. So there's not much you need to do for the second can. Here you go. So that's what you got to do for the can here. Now, going to mark our line. We want this line to cover this bit here, so we want it to be a little bit bigger. So around here, and start marking it.
Autonomy is an illusion.
Okay, now we've done that, what you got to do now, try and cover this. What we're going to do is we're going to cut some holes along the outside of here.
Autonomy is an illusion.
Okay, as you can see now, there's a lot of holes. That'll be where the flame will go through. As you can see here, there is a crack here. So what I'm going to do is get a little bit duct tape, making sure the duct tape's not going to be near the flames. Just going to cover that up. Okay, so now we've made our mini stove. Let's go and test it out. Okay, so let's fill it up with some alcohol. Don't need too much. That should hopefully be enough. And here we go, a mini stove. Okay, so it's just gone out and I had 8 minutes of fuel. So if you wanted to just boil some water or cook some like expedition food like what I showed you in the last video, this is ideal for that. Okay, so that is how you make a stove using 2 cans. Thank you for watching and I'll see you soon. Like and subscribe.